everyone, I'm Lorie from Dee's, and today I'm going to share with you how to make just a quick and easy neutral wreath. So this is going to be available in a kit form. In your kit, you're going to receive these 2 pieces of eucalyptus stem. You're going to receive 2 of these neutral pumpkin picks that are really cute with the berries and the greenery on them. And 1 stem of these neutral berries. And of course your ribbons. And we have a pumpkin ribbon, a stripe, and a green. So to get started, I've chosen a grapevine wreath that I'm going to use. This is a 16-inch. You can go a little bigger if you'd like, just depending upon what fits your space the best. So for this project, we will be needing our glue. And of course, I've got my handy little glue pot here. This is an electric skillet that we just drop these glue pellets in, and it just works amazing. So I do suggest having some wire cutters too for this project. So we're going to start off. I'm just going to trim off the end of my eucalyptus and just dip the stem in a little bit of glue. And I'm just going to go right in here and put my stem right into my wreath and fluff my eucalyptus. And I'm just kind of making my perimeters of my design. So again, I'm just trimming that off. Fluff up my stem a little. Put a little glue. And we're just going to pop it right back in. Okay, so next, I'm going to take these really cute pumpkin picks, and we're going to fluff these up. And you can trim this off, or you may not even need to. And I'm just going to put some glue on there, tuck this right in, take my other one. It's getting tangled up in my berries. And we're just going to fluff this up, open it up. This is really nice because it has a lot of textures on it. You get your little sticks, your little pine cones, and your small gourds also. So it's just a nice piece. So we're going to put a little glue on this one too. Going to go over to this side. And I'm just going to put that right in there like so. Kind of fluff it up a little bit. Last but not least, we have our pretty little berry stem. So you can leave this intact, or you could actually even pull it apart just like this and take your berries off the stem, and they stayed intact. And I'm just going to put a little glue on this, and I'm going to put one right in there. Come over to this side, put one right in here. And we're going to take this one, and I'm going to let this one kind of hang down here where my bow is going to be. And then last step is we're going to take our ribbons. These are some pretty fun ribbons. This is the cream with the pumpkin. So of course I'm going to start out with my little tail that I like to have stick up. Remember, just pinch and gather. We're going to twist and gather, twist, and gather. So my next one I'm going to put on is this green. Again, I like having the little tails that stick up, so we're just going to put that up, twist, gather, twist, gather. And last but not least, I've got my stripe. So this time I'm going to go to the opposite side. Make my loop and make my loop. And of course, every kit where we make a bow, we always like to send you a piece of the cloth covered wire so that you can bundle off your bow. And this wire is amazing. It is available on our Shop D's Louisville site to purchase because it's so great for multi-uses. And we're going to use that just to wire our ribbon right into our wreath. Twist that off on the back side. And I'm going to trim my excess wire off. And then we're just going to go back and trim the tails on our ribbons. Spread those tails out so you can disperse that ribbon throughout your design. Trim our tails here. And there you have it, a quick and easy neutral wreath. So thanks for joining me today. Make sure you keep following us on Facebook and Instagram, and check out our site at shopdeeslouisville.com.